Chapter 4 Carbon Compounds. Key points and concepts. Carbon is a tetravalent nonmetal. It forms a covalent bond. It is because the atomic number of carbon is 6 and its electronic configuration is 2,4. So, to attain a noble gas configuration, it requires 4 more electrons in its valence shell. Carbon attains the noble gas configuration by sharing its valence electrons with other atoms. Such mutual sharing of electrons between atoms to attain a stable noble gas configuration is called covalent bonding. Carbon compounds are mostly covalent compounds formed by the sharing of the outermost electrons. Properties of carbons which enable it to form enormously large number of compounds are catenations and tetravalency. Catenation is the property of carbon atoms to form covalent bonds with other atoms of carbon. Tetravalency. Carbon requires 4 electrons to form tetravalent. It is because it has a valency of 4. As a result, carbon atoms is capable of bonding with atoms of oxygen, hydrogen, nitrogen, sulfur, chlorine and other elements. The smaller size of carbon atoms enables nucleus to hold the shared pair of electrons strongly. Thus, carbon compounds are very stable in general. Covalent and ionic compounds. Covalent compounds and ionic compounds. They are readily soluble in organic solvent. They are not soluble in organic solvent. They do not ionize. They ionize in organic medium. They are bad conductor of heat and electricity. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. They have weak force of attraction between the molecules. They have strong force of attraction between the molecules. Formations of molecules. Hydrogen. Hydrogen atoms have 1 electrons. Mutual sharings of 1 electrons to form hydrogen-hydrogen single bond. Chlorine. Chlorine atoms have 7 electrons. Mutual sharings of 1 electrons to form chlorine molecules. Chlorine-chlorine single bond. Oxygen. Oxygen's atoms have 6 electrons. Mutual sharings of 2 electrons to form oxygen molecules. Oxygen-oxygen double bond. Nitrogen. Nitrogen atoms have 5 electrons. Mutual sharings of 3 electrons to form nitrogen molecules. Nitrogen-nitrogen triple bond. Methane. Carbons have 4 electrons. Hydrogen have 1 electrons. Mutual sharings of electrons to form carbon-hydrogen single bond. Ammonia. Nitrogens have 5 electrons. Hydrogen have 1 electrons. Mutual sharings of 1 electrons to form nitrogen-hydrogen single bond. Water. Oxygens have 6 electrons. Hydrogen have 1 electrons. Mutual sharings of electrons to form hydrogen single bond oxygen single bond hydrogen. Carbon dioxide. Oxygens have 6 electrons. Carbons have 4 electrons. Oxygens have 6 electrons. Mutual sharing of 2 electrons to form oxygen double bond carbon double bond oxygen. Classification of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Aliphatic or open chain compounds. Cyclic or closed chain compounds. 2 parts. Alicyclic aromatics. Aliphatic or open chain compounds. Saturated, unsaturated. Saturated alkanes, paraffins, CN H2N plus 2. Unsaturated alkene, alkyne. Alkenes, olefins, CN H2N. Alkynes, CN H2N minus 2. IUPAC International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry nomenclature. Some common alkanes. Formula of alkane CnH2n plus 2. Number of carbon atoms 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon, 5 carbon, 6 carbon, 7 carbon, 8 carbon, 9 carbon, 10 carbon. Name methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane, hexane, heptane, octane, nonane, decane. Molecular formula CH4, C2H6, C3H8, C4H10, C5H12, C6H14, C7H16, C8H18, C9H20, C10H22. Molecular mass 16, 30, 44, 58, 72, 86, 100, 114, 128, 142. Alkyl group are derived from alkane. Name of alkyl group: bond CH3 methane methyl, bond C2H5 ethane ethyl, bond C3H7 propane propyl, and so on. Homologous series of alkene. Formula of alkene CnH2n. Number of carbon atoms. Number of alkene molecular formula. Number of carbon atom 2. Number of alkene ethane molecular formula C2H4. Number of carbon atom 3. Number of alkene propene molecular formula C3H6. Number of carbon atoms 4. Name of alkene butene molecular formula C4H8. Number of carbon atoms 5. Name of alkene pentene molecular formula C5H10. Homologous series of alkyne. Formula of alkyne CnH2n minus 2. Number of carbon atoms. Name of alkyne molecular formula. Number of carbon atoms 2. Name of the alkyne ethine molecular formula C2H2. Number of carbon atom 3. Name of the alkyne propyne molecular formula C3H4. Number of carbon atoms 4. Name of alkyne butane molecular formula C4H6. Number of carbon atoms 5. Name of the alkyne pentane molecular formula C5H8. Common functional groups. Functional groups class general formula examples. तो functional groups alkenes, alkynes, haloalkanes, alcohols, aldehyde groups, ketone groups, carboxylic groups, ester groups. General formula and examples. Chemical properties of carbon compound. Chemical properties of carbon compounds. Point A. Combustion. Carbon compounds burn in air to give carbon dioxide, water, heat and light. CH4 plus 2 mole O2 to gives carbon dioxide, 2 mole H2O plus heat plus light. Point B. Oxidation. Alcohol can be converted to carboxylic acid by oxidizing them with alkaline KMnO4. ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एजेंट होता है. CH3 CH2O ethanol in the reaction with in the presence of KMnO4 plus heat या acidified K2Cr2O7 plus heat to gives acetic acid CH3 COOH. Alkaline KMnO4 add oxygen to the reactant, thus are called oxidizing reagent. Oxidizing agent. Point C. Additions reactions. Unsaturated hydrocarbons, alkene alkynes undergoes addition reactions. They add hydrogen in the presence of catalyst nickel and palladium to give unsaturated hydrocarbons. CH2 double bond CH2 plus H2 nickel lead in the presence of nickel leads to gives CH3 CH3 single bond. Addition reactions is commonly used in hydrogenation of vegetable oil using nickel catalyst. Additions of hydrogen at the multiple bond is known as hydrogenation process. This process is used for making vegetable ghee from oil. Vegetable oil carbon-carbon double bond break in the presence of nickel. Additions of hydrogen to gives carbon-carbon single bond vegetable ghee. Point B. Substitution reaction. Saturated hydrocarbons undergoes substitution reactions in the presence of sunlight. CH4 plus Cl2 in the presence of sunlight. CH3Cl plus HCl in the presence of sunlight. Each chain reaction is initiated in the presence of sunlight. One hydrogen atom is replaced by chlorine group. At each step result in the formations of CH2Cl2, CHCl3, CCl4. Some common alcohols: methanol, ethanol, 2-propanol, rubbing alcohol, 1,2,3 propane triol, glycerine. Some common aldehydes: methanol, formaldehyde, ethanol, acetaldehyde. Some common carboxylic acids: formic acid from ants, butanoic acid, butyric acid, present in linseed butter, lactic acid. Some common ketones: propanones, acetone, butanone. Graphite, diamond and fluorine. Graphite, layer structure, application, electrode. Diamond, hardest material in the world. Application, jewel cutter. Fluorine, carbon-60, sugar ball shape molecule. Application, cosmetics. Diameter 0.7 nanometer. Ethanol, chemical properties. Reaction A. Reaction with sodium. Formation of sodium ethoxide and hydrogen. 2 mole ethanol plus 2 mole sodium react with 2 gives 2 mole sodium ethoxide plus H2. Point B. Reaction with acid. Formation of ester ethyl ethanoate, a sweet smelling ester. This process is called a esterification. Acetic acid plus ethanol reaction with in the presence of H2SO4 sulfuric acid to gives ester plus H2O. Use of ethanol in preparations of soap, cosmetics, in alcoholic beverage, in medicine and in laboratory reagent. Ethanoic acids: vinegar 5 to 8% solution of acetic acid in water. Glacial acetic acid, pure acetic acid. Properties of ethanoic acid. Reaction A. Reaction with sodium carbonate. 2 mole acetic acid plus sodium carbonate to gives sodium ethoxide 2 moles plus water plus CO2. Point B. Reaction with sodium hydrogen carbonate. Acetic acid plus sodium bicarbonate to gives sodium ethoxide plus H2O plus CO2. Brick effervescence marks the presence of carboxylic acid. Point C. Reaction with sodium hydroxide. Acetic acid plus sodium hydroxide to gives sodium ethoxide plus H2O. Point B. Reaction with ethanol. Esterification. Acetic acid plus ethanol reaction with in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 to gives ester plus H2O. On hydrolysis, ester gives parent alcohol, and sodium salt of carboxylic acid. Alkaline hydrolysis of ester is called saponification. Soap and detergent. A soap is sodium or potassium salt of long chain of fatty acid which has the cleansing properties. Soap are made by saponification process. It has two ends. One is hydrophilic and other is hydrophobic. When soap is dissolved in waters, micelles formation takes place. The hydrophobic end attaches itself to dirt particle and remove it from the cloth. A detergent is the sodium salt of long chain benzene sulfonic acid. Scum. The magnesium and calcium salt present in hard water react with soap molecules to form insoluble product called scum. They obstruct the cleansing action. Use of detergent overcome this problem as the detergent molecule prevent the formation of insoluble product and thus clothes get cleaned.